Hi folks, as I mentioned yesterday, this is a short one just to give you a hands up about flying your drones in the EU. Since Brexit, all those bright people that decided to tick the box to leave, it's one of the downfalls again. This one is that the CAA is not recognised any longer since Brexit in the EU. To fly your drone legally, you have to be certified in one of the EU states. I did mine online through the French one. It's very similar to the UK. All the regulations are very similar. The questions you get are all in English. Unfortunately, the rules and the regulations are only on a PDF file and they're all in French. So you have to Google translate those unless you can speak French, of course. It's pretty simple. Once you pass, you'll get then a flyer's ID. You then have to register your drone with them, and that will be the make, model, if there's a camera on it, is there a sensor on it, and the serial number. So all that goes on to your flyer's certification certificate. The good thing about it, it's free, and if I remember right, it lasts 5 years. So I'd do it if you're going to fly your drone anywhere in Europe. In the EU, not Europe, because different parts of Europe isn't in the EU yet. So their rules will be even different. So yeah. Make sure you do this before you even try and fly your drone, because if you're caught, the fines are ridiculous. For a minor infraction, you're looking at €60 to £1,000. For an intermediate infraction, you're looking at €1,000 to, I believe it's €45,000. For a serious infraction, then you're going to be looking at 45,000 to 225,000. Like I say, ridiculous amount of money. Your drone will be automatically seized and you will not get it back. So be warned. I would get your certifications before you leave. Also, in most of the EU states, you have to have public liability insurance it depends on the state, between 1 million and 5 million. You can get that in the UK, that's not a problem. If you're coming here to Portugal, be warned, you are not allowed to fly your drone with a camera at any point without clearance and written authorization from the Portuguese Air Force. What you have to do is go on to their website, you download a form, you fill the form in requesting permission, telling where you intend flying and what the purpose of the flight is. They then require you to send that back by mail, not by email. So expect that to take a week or so for them to get it. It then can take up to 3 months for them to make a decision if they're going to let you fly or not. Just don't turn up and fly, because that is serious here in Portugal. So there you are, folks. It's just a hands up. Get your certification in an EU state before you leave. I understand, I believe the Irish one and the French one are the easiest ones to get. Like I say, I did mine in France. Well, not in France, on a French website. For more information, I would suggest that you Google it. It will give you a lot more insight than what I can give you here without me reading it, and then it's going to take ages. So just be warned. Get certified. Get your ID for your drone, get them stuck on, same as you have in UK. Carry your certification carry your public liability insurance, and be safe out there. Okay, thanks for listening. I hope this helped somebody. Give your hands up before you come. Take care, and if you're out on your travels, happy travelling. Bye for now.